ini nga nagano.
So first on your right is our green peacock bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. His wings and tail are green and blue. He has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. Now its scientific name is Amblorhopus. Now say hi to everyone, bandit. Hi. This side, bandit. Hi. Now up next is our blue and gold macaw, Woolly. She has a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and feet are solid black. Its scientific name is Avalona. So here in Ocean Park, we have three blue and gold macaws. We have Goldie up there and blue on
Oh,
the
wala maril gina lang.
Mari na kawanak.
Ila ha.
So
Wala ka sa-
now the segment C.
Makpag ko.
Wala. Nakila, look.
Cactus parrot red. So cactus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism.
Look.
Meaning you can easily distinguish whether it's a male or a female parrot. Now red right here is a female parrot because of its bright red colored feathers. While male like cactus parrots have bright green colored feathers.
Napagani, ginata ka na yung playground dito. At saka ito mapatutoy ni Kila, patubos na ito kaliyo.
30 years old. While our